In this video I'm going to teach you how to do what is called a script in R. And a script is really good for when you want to write multiple lines of code, especially if what you want to do cannot be done on one line of code and you want to save it. And so I'm going to cover how to write this, do this. And what you do is you do a script. You go File, New Script. So I'm going to do a new script. So File, go to New Script. Okay, now you see I went from the console window here, and then I'm going to switch back. This is the R editor. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to write the script. So I'm going to do for. I'm going to teach you a for loop. I'm going to do this using a for loop concept. U would just be some variable, and U will go from 1 to say 10. And then I'm going to do parentheses, maybe print U divided by, or U times 2. Why not? And so then after I do that, I'm going to do edit. I'm going to run all. And I'm going to go back to our console. And you can see basically it did U times 2. It went 2, 4, 6, all the way to 20 because U went from 1 to 10. And there we have that. That was writing a script in and then running it. Now I'm going to go back here. I'm going to do File, Save As, and it's going to save it. The default is in my documents, so I'll just save it here. It doesn't matter. And I'm going to save it as example1.r because it's an R file. Alright, and then I'll click Save. After this, I'm going to basically close the script. And you know what? I'll exit R. No, I won't save anything. Now I'm going to double click on R. And I opened R. And let me resize the window. Give me a minute. And I'll clear the console. Alright, now I'm going to open the script. Go here, and here we go, example1.r. And so here's my script. Now if I want to rerun it, like I did a minute ago, I'm just going to run it. And I'll go back to the console window, and you can see, there I go. I don't have to write any code. This is how you basically save code for later use. And also, you see like the for loop, it has these pluses. If you want to write a function or other things, they would probably have pluses if it's several lines before it's finished. And that's the benefit of also writing it in a script as opposed to inside the console. It's a little nicer. Alright, and that's how you do it. Write code and save it for later use.